3 years back, I met my father's old friend. He was an intelligent, capable man who had an experience of running big businesses. At that time he was running a micro-enterprise, and sometimes, he had to assist workers in functioning, to save money. He was barely able to manage his life, and stayed in the factory all day all night leaving his family, just to survive. He had made a huge mistake in his career and lost every bit of assets, except a one-room flat which he purchased as investment earlier. He wasn't sad, or depressed, or worn out. He was in his early 50s, a time when people start preparing for retirement. But there was a spark, a zeal, a motivation in him to perform, to deal with circumstances, to fight. Today, he is doing much better, although we have limited contact. The point here is, regret is a regressive thought. It slows you, demotivates you, brings you down. Be progressive, see what's left, what best can be done now, learn from mistakes, and walk forwards with pride. What's gone was your fate, what's still left is your fate, what will be is your fate. Just keep making efforts and see through life with pride and high self-esteem, keeping your head high up in the sky. And most importantly, respect your decisions, no matter how good or bad they turn out to be.